Go.
Hello and welcome to G&C Tire and Auto. Today we'll be doing a oil change. On this particular car, I need a 15mm socket and my trusty ratchet. And now while the oil is draining, I will go get my oil filter. Welcome back. Now it is time to replace the oil filter. Particularly on this vehicle, they have an annoying splash shield that gets in the way. So to make less of a mess, I've gotten a trusty piece of cardboard to act as a ramp. Voila. And now I will be putting the new oil filter back. Now what I'm doing here is getting some old oil and lubing up the new O-ring. This helps it from sticking. Yeah. Give it one 360 turn. And there you have to replace the oil filter. Now it is time to tidy up your drain plug. And now that everything is tidied up underneath, it is time to put in the oil. Get your funnel, your oil jug, and this car takes 520 full synthetic, 6 quarts. We have fun. This is taking a lot longer than expected. And now, after you finish filling up the car with oil, you start the vehicle, let it run, build up oil pressure, then shut it off. I've already done all that. And now you check the dipstick. Perfect.